Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make M4R ringtone using the Video Converter Studio Beta. You can actually get this tool on www.apowersoft.com/videoconverterstudio page. To begin, launch the application and then click on the Add Files button so that we can get the file to be converted. Next is to choose the output format. Just simply drop down Profile and then choose Audio and then click on M4R. Now you may click on the Convert button to start converting. Wait for the file to be saved in your computer. For instance, you can make use of Apowersoft Phone Manager to transfer the file to the iPhone. Just simply launch the application and then connect the iPhone to the computer. Once connected, click on the Music tab and then look for Ringtone on the left side of the tool and click on Import so that we can import the file. The ringtone will then be saved in your iPhone and ready to use. Lastly, click on My Phone tab and then click on the Disconnect button to disconnect the iPhone. That is how easy we can make M4R ringtone for your iPhone, and those are the tools that can help you do this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!